Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Now in this video we'll discuss one of the very famous AI model, that is Grok 3. So let me open PPT and we'll discuss the pointer wise. So Grok 3, this is the recent version of Grok. So an in-depth look at Elon Musk's AI revolutions. So what are the inner architecture and what the prime data source is there, and the difference between other AI engines like ChatGPT, Gemini, and this one Grok 3. We'll discuss in this session. So see, what is Grok 3? Grok 3 is a AI model, ML model we can say. It is developed by XAI. Earlier it was Twitter, now it is X. So developed by XAI, led by Elon Musk. Advanced AI assistant with reasoning and humor. Competes with ChatGPT, Google Gemini, Microsoft Copilot. Other models also are there. So evolution, when it is started and what is the current version of this one, right? So Grok 1, it has started November 2023. That was the initial version, in the initial release actually. Now Grok 1.5, it was in May 2024 with better reasoning and 128k tokens. 128k tokens is nothing but the unit of text actually. So it can take input 1,28,000 tokens text, I can say. So huge amount of input we can provide, and based on that we can take the output also. In output we must have some certain tokens, or there are huge number of tokens are there, so we need to set and this we need not to set the output tokens, but this is the input tokens 128k, right? So tokens is another thing in the model. If we are going to discuss about tokens, then this is the huge concept, I can say. Now Grok 2. Grok 2 in August 2024, image generation added, means we can use the image and we can form our query and take the output, right? And Grok 3, this is the recent version, and it releases on Feb 2025 with the 10x computational power. This is the feature, 10x computational power actually. They have, this feature they have included here. Now inner architecture of Grok 3. See, the first point is 1.5 trillion parameters. What it means? One of the greatest AI model, one of the largest AI model, I can say, enabling advanced reasoning with understanding, means they have used the 1.5 trillion parameters. Their main prime data source is X only. I'll show you in the questioning session of this Grok 3 only, right? Now second point, mixture of expert for efficiency, means dynamically select specialized subnetworks to optimize performance. Now this is we had already discussed this one in the initial, this one. 128k token context window, mean can process and retain long conversation or document effectively. Multimodal AI means it can accept text, images or audio as well. Understand and generate content across the different media types, means text, with the help of text we can take output of our query, with the help of images we can take output of our query, and with the help of audio as well, right? Now key feature of Grok 3, the real-time internet access via X, or earlier it was known as Twitter. So real-time internet access means whenever we are putting our query, so it is fetches the live update from the latest information, and the latest information from the web. It fetches the live update about that things what we are querying actually, right? So this is nothing but real-time access, real-time internet access. Unique humor and personality we have provided, because it is based on the reinforcement learning with the feedback. So this has unique humor and personality, means engages user with witty, sarcastic and entertaining responses. Bias aware AI with RLHF, means trained and reinforcement learning. We have supervised, unsupervised and reinforcement model are there. There are various algorithms included in supervised learning model, in unsupervised learning model, and in a reinforced learning model. So here we are using a reinforcement learning model trained with reinforcement learning from the human feedback, that is RLHF method, to reduce bias. Right. High level reasoning capability means excel in logic, problem solving, and deep analytical thinking as well. So this is the key feature of this one, right? Now, use cases of Grok 3 means we can take the assistance in coding, content creation, research and summarization, conversational AI. We can ask anything, right? And this will also give the real time the resources also it will provide, that we have taken this content from this resource. I'll also even with the help of example only. Availability and prices available via X means premium. Paid availability is there. Limited free access, paid for advanced feature. Future expansion expected. Yeah, Grok 4 is expected to come. Right. And now limited availability, X only. Creativity limitation, data privacy concern is there. This is the challenge actually. Now feature of Grok and XAI. Next gen. Grok 4 is in development, is in progress I can say. Expansion beyond Twitter and Next. Okay. So they can take data from other resources also. Competing with OpenAI and Google. OpenAI means ChatGPT, Google that is Gemini, right? And Microsoft also has Copilot. So Grok 3 is a powerful AI build and is still evolving actually, right? So please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Now we'll go for comparison, right? See here, detailed comparison. Real-time access means Grok 3 has real-time access. Whenever we are putting our query, it is fetches the live update from the internet only, right? The resources is available. And real-time access in ChatGPT 4, limited I would say, right? In Gemini 1.5, yes, we have real-time access. Now context length, this is the important one. Context length means 128k tokens in Grok 3, 128k tokens in ChatGPT also, but in Gemini 1 million tokens. It's a huge actually, right? And multimodal capability means Grok 3 can accept text, images, audio. ChatGPT also accept text, images, but limited to audio. Whereas Google Gemini accepts text, images, video, and code as well, right? Unique feature, think mode, big brain mode, right? ChatGPT is best for code interpreter. Gemini AI agents, I would say. These are the unique feature I would say. Creativity and humor. See this one, Grok 3 is witty and sarcastic, and ChatGPT neutral and formal. But Gemini polished and professional. There is no witty, there is no sarcasm. This is polished and professional. Coding capabilities, great for debugging in Grok 3. Best for execution, ChatGPT. Good but less specialized than Grok 3 or ChatGPT, I would say. Right? So this is about Gemini. Availability, premium availability is the Grok 3 has premium availability. ChatGPT, Web API, mobile, all are there. Free and paid version in Gemini also. Right? Best for Grok 3 is best for live info, engaging conversation, and ChatGPT is best for coding, logical reasoning. Whereas Gemini is best for long context, multimodal AI. Right? So these are the comparison. Now we will go for key takeaway. Now the Grok 3 shines in real-time internet access and humor, making it ideal for users who want to latest news and an engaging AI personality. Whereas ChatGPT is best for coding and logical reasoning, especially with its powerful code interpreter feature. And Gemini 1.5 has longest context memory like 1 million tokens, allowing it process massive documents and even whole books as well we can process. Right, so this is the key takeaway. Now we'll go for the live discussion with Grok. Here is there, right? So first question we can ask, what is tokens actually? What is tokens? Sorry, what is TOKENS? Yes, what is tokens in Grok 3? In Grok 3 in one liner, because we don't want a massive answer, huge answer, right? In one liner. See, in Grok 3, a token is a unit of text like word or character, right? Used to measure input and output for processing with a context window of 1 million tokens. And what are the resources? See, these are the resources here we find. Wikipedia, Grok 3 intelligence performance, price analysis, Grok 3 beta, all these the resources. So it will tell you live resources also from where they get this information, live updates. That's why it has real time access. Now let me go through this one UI part, like how we can see Grok 3 beta version is there, right? And now if I'll go see this is the deep search mode, advanced search and reasoning. If we need to put here deep search mode like this way, right? So deep search, this is deeper search, extend search, more reasoning, right? Think. So what is think mode? So think mode in Grok 3 is a feature where AI pause, deeply analyze a query before responding. Activated only when user selects Thinks button UI. Right? Think means we can provide in thinking mode, I would say. Edit image, we can edit the image also, right? So these are the way we can converse. We can start conversation. So I'll not go for deep search or any other mode. Now next thing we can search this one also. What is the prime data source? What is the prime data source? Yes. Prime data source for Grok 3. Grok 3 in short. Right. See. The primary data source for Grok 3 is vast data set, including real-time ex-post, public internet repositories, legal filings, and AI tutors data with billions of tokens. So this is the real-time data what Grok 3 is using actually. Grok 3 learns from us also. What kind of question we are putting, it learns from our questions also, and it is getting better to himself or herself, I would say, whatever you can call, whatever you can understand Grok 3. So it is getting better day by day with our questions, with our questionnaires and anything, I would say, right? So this way we can use Grok 3, right? Yeah. So I would say that's all about for this session. So thanks for watching. If you like, then hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot.